Welcome, everyone. We are standing at the end of 2025, and I want to tell you something very clearly. 2026 is going to be a career defining year, but only for those who choose their path wisely. Today, I will walk you through 5 AI projects that can completely transform your resume, your confidence, and your opportunities in the AI world. Let's begin. We have covered numerous videos on practical applications and demo code for all these projects. So please remember to check our channel, TechieTalksAI. And if you need one-to-one private mentorship, please visit our website, Schogini.com. In 2026, AI will no longer be a nice to have skill. It'll be the first filter employers use. The companies that once asked, "Do you know Python?" are asking, "Have you built something real with AI?" This is the best time to position yourself ahead of the crowd. Your portfolio will speak louder than any certificate. Let me make this absolutely clear. Employers today want AI integration skills, not just coding syntax, not just model theory. They want people who can integrate LLM APIs, build useful AI tools, and explain the architecture with clarity. We will look at 5 projects that will help you demonstrate exactly that. Project 1, a game changer, a personalized AI tutor. Imagine an app that teaches users anything: math, programming, biology at their pace, in their preferred learning style. This project shows employers that you understand instruction tuning, prompt engineering, and interactive conversation design. It's practical, impressive, and extremely relevant. Project 2 is a long form summarizer, something every company needs. From YouTube videos to meeting transcripts, the world produces long content that people don't have time to read. Your summarizer will generate crisp bullet point summaries and action items. This skill translates directly into AI assistance, productivity tools, and enterprise automation or hyper automation that we specialize in. Project 3 is the future, AI voice agent. We are entering into an area where people will talk to their devices more than they type. This project shows you can handle speech to text, text processing, and AI generated voice replies. It proves you understand multimodal workflows, an incredibly powerful skill going into 2026. And here you can also demonstrate further backend automation like connecting to no code platforms like make.com or other Python based backends. We have created several videos to demonstrate this. Project 4 solves a massive real world problem: content repurposing. Video to blog AI converter lets you take any video transcript and turn it into a polished SEO friendly blog post. Businesses love this. It shows you can work with real content pipelines, build tools for marketing teams, creators and educators and coaches. Ideal for social media automation. This also is one of our specialities. And we have created very popular videos on this. Project 5 is the crown jewel, a mini RAG system. This is how real companies build private AI assistants that answer questions using their own documents. RAG is the backbone of our enterprise AI in 2026, and by building your own mini version, you instantly stand out as someone who understands retrieval, embeddings, that is vector databases, and context driven responses. We have over 20 videos on different flavors of RAG system. These projects are not gimmicks. They prove that you understand the full life cycle of applied AI, from user input to LLM processing to meaningful output. Anyone can follow tutorials, but building, deploying, and explaining these tools sets you apart as a real AI engineer. Here is your roadmap for 2026. Build, deploy, document, publish, and speak about your work confidently. And we let our interns record and publish their work on our Techie Talks AI channel. And when you do this, you showcase real problem solving ability. This is how you get interviews. This is how you get referrals. And this is how you get hired in AI roles. And if at any point you feel lost, confused, or stuck, you don't need to walk this journey alone. At Schogini Systems, we offer one-on-one private mentorship Through our Mentor Expert program, we help you choose the right projects, architect them properly, and convert them into a powerful portfolio and interview story. Visit shogini.com/mentor expert. This could be your turning point in your career. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, I would love to hear from you. Which of these 5 projects will you start with? What is holding you back right now in your AI journey? Your suggestions help me decide the next deep dive videos. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe and help at least one person start their AI journey in 2026. 2026 is full of opportunity. Make this the year you rise. Thanks for watching. Apply these tips and level up today. Smash like if it helped. Subscribe to TechieTalksAI for deep dive and drop your biggest challenge in comments. Ready for personalized one-to-one Zoom sessions? I mentor just few students on cloud, coding, DevOps, no-code solution, AI agents, or electronics, tailored to your goals. Limited slots. Book via the link in the description before it's gone. See you in the next video.